Friends, we are still at the Rampart. Mo Mummy didn't give us anything, so we came to another very low volatile machine, Huff and even more Puff. And here we are, trying our best, $50 ticket in, $100 in reserves. Let's just get some big bonuses right here. Wanna come down, Mr. Wolfie? 2 cents, $2 bets to start. Okay. Oh my goodness, all right, come on, please give us an upgrade here. It's so nice to get a bonus right away, but we need something magical, people. Come on. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. I think we can do this. Upgrade, upgrade, upgrade. Not the mini. Oh my God. Let's just pretend that did not happen, people. We got a bonus right away and it's the mini when I just asked not to have it. But it sounds like buzzsaws are coming in though. Anything other than the mini, you know, we would have had a fun little ride. We would have been able to make a couple $100, been even for the day. But that's what we get. We got the mini, $20. Yes. You want to come down again? No. 4. 2 more. He can come down below more, right? 2 more. He didn't come down below another one. Come on, there's a lot of stuff going on here at 2 cents. There's a lot of stuff going on at 2 cents. 3. You can come down below 2, 3, 4. Okay. We would have liked something on row 4. Man, getting a bonus right away like that is so nice, but when it's the mini, it's absolutely disheartening. Especially when it's the buzzsaw too, because you know something good can come of it. We're gonna put 100 in right now just so we feel a little better. 100 in right now. Okay, let's see what we can do. Howler will be very 2 more. Oh, you want to come down and give us one? Yeah, the good thing is that we know we get another bonus. It will very hard pressed to be the whatever it is, the mini. Very hard pressed to be the mini. 2 more. I asked for the absolute wrong 2 more. And that was my fault. More. 5 more. No more. By the way, it is May 2024. Oh, 2 more. Oof, oof. And we're trying our best to win a jackpot here for everyone. Happy Mother's Day to everybody who's celebrating such things. Oh, you could have kept going. That was only 120 right there. What the heck? Okay, absolute miss. Tape measures for how much? 80 cents. Come on, Wolfie, come back down. Let's see a $2 jackpot. 5, 3, 2. Come down and share some more with us, you know? Then come down the golden buzzsaw. I can wait for a golden buzzsaw. I have time for that. Nope. I had time for the golden buzzsaw. Let's try some 1 cent fun cent. 1 cent fun cent. 5 more. I was gonna say 2 more, but it gave me 2 more halves, which I didn't. I should ask for 2 more buzzsaws specifically. All right, 3 buzzsaws. No buzzsaws. Hello, Wolfie? Can we get a howler? Maybe I should rub the screen. Do you guys think I should rub the screen for a better chance? Golden vessel? No. 3. It's tough out here gambling, you know? $2 a spin, $2 a spin, $2 it adds up. $300 goes like that, people. You don't have any kind of like kickback. We're here showing you what happens when you gamble. Okay. Let's go back to 2 cent, $2. That was our lucky one, right? I mean, lucky in the sense that we actually got a bonus. $4. Come down, blow some more. Nope. Would love to see a howler. We needed 2 more. We got the wrong 2 more. Man, getting a buzzsaw that fast is so awesome. That's the thing we talked about. If you get a bonus that fast, just like kind of leave. Because the machine gives you something, even if it's like a really sad bonus, like a $2, like 10x bet, free. Hello. Just leave, because you know the machine is kind of toying with you at that point. 2 more. 3 more. Okay. Kitties. By kitties, I mean hard-working kids. You know? Howler, please. I'll push for the howler right now. Nope. 2 more. Nope. Guys, I feel like this is pretty painful. We're out here trying our best. Mo mummy. And then, what's this called? Huff and even more puff. And at this point, it's just a bunch of 2 more. You can come down more. Last spin. Yeah, play wager saver. There's a chance for something crazy on a wager saver. 5. Okay. All right, we tried. That's $200, $300 in like a few minutes. But those are the realities of gambling, people. We are out here Sunday night, Las Vegas. We'll be back for more. Thanks for watching, people.